Arrive in style with this 2007 Ford Escape Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: CD changer, aluminum wheels, leather seats, keyless entry, fog lamps, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, pass-through rear seat, AM/FM stereo, and mirror bench seat. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.